go! Oops.
Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
Uh-huh.
Let's go! Excellent! Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey guys! Today, I'm gonna show you how to make some slime soap for a fussy slime. We're gonna need…
Do you remember what day it
is it another favorite holiday of yours?
All holidays are my favorite, and today is Slime Day!
But that's weeks away!
Not International Slime Day. A small one just for me. Guys, who thinks I deserve my own holiday? Give a thumbs up!
What do you want?
A gift.
Okay, I'll think about it. Excuse him. Now where were we? Oh yeah, making slime soap. First, take a bowl for mixing. Some shampoo, special dye, fragrance, and starch.
Why starch?
Because that's an essential ingredient for soap.
Okay. What about my gift? Will it be a sweet gift?
Sam, I'm busy. Here, have a candy.
Well, that's better. Still waiting for the gift, though.
Okay, hopefully no more interruptions. Let's make some soap. First, take the starch and pour it into the bowl. Yeah, that should be enough.
Have you ever seen starched slime?
Just trust me. Soon, you'll have the coolest soap in the world.
Give me a gift!
Oh.
Give the slime a gift! Give slime a gift! Give slime a gift!
Is the candy gone already?
That one tiny candy, I didn't even notice it. Give me a gift! Give me a gift! Give me a gift!
Here. Happy Slime Day! Ugh.
What is it?
It's an anti-stress toy. You squish it and it relaxes you. You've been really stressed lately. It'll do you good.
Okay, stop harassing my gift. Give it to me. Sue is such a party pooper. All rumpled now. It would be better with candy.
Now, let's add the shampoo to the starch. Here, just a tad or it won't be very slimy. And mix it all together, just like this. Starch makes it more and more difficult. It's like non-Newtonian fluid or something.
Oh, she tricked me with a silly toy! Again. It doesn't want to get squeezed at all. It should be called a stress-causing toy. I'm so tired. I should go eat.
Guys, please subscribe to our channel to calm Sam down. I can't stand him anymore. Ugh. Meanwhile, I'll add the other ingredients to the soap. Some watermelon fragrance, just a little bit, and green dye, a few drops. Or, more is good too. Then we'll mix it all up again. Oh, it's gotten really hard to stir. Hey guys, the soap is not ready yet, and the house already smells like watermelon. Give a big thumbs up if you like watermelons too. Look how bright and green the soap is. I wonder what Sam is up to.
Jump! Get it, silly toy!
Whoa!
What do you say now? All good now.
Sam, what did you do?
What? I was de-stressing. You were right. So relaxing. Big time, huh?
Oh.
Clean it up now, will ya?
Come back right now.
No rest for poor slime.
Here, take it.
Holy cannoli, why do I have to clean it up?
One super slime soap is almost ready. I'll add a little bit more shampoo. There. And mix it really, really well. Ooh. It isn't slimy, but it's really stretchy. Okay, it's not that sticky anymore, so I'll just scoop it out and continue mixing it with my hands. Huh. You know, it kind of looks like Play-Doh, but it really feels like slime. And done! Guys, this slime soap is really nice to touch. I've never had such a pretty and useful slime. Except you, of course.
To be honest, it's not that great.
Aw, what's up now? I made you the most perfect soap.
Perfect? It'll make me go green!
There is no pleasing you. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, and when it has 1,000 thumbs up, Sam will shoot a new video for you. Bye-bye!
And don't forget to subscribe! Thanks! Ooh, ducky likey, let's try it on you. Despacito, na 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 na, despacito. Do Puerto Rico. Da da
Yeah. What colour am I using for the seaweed? That's it, green. There we go. Now what else should we have swimming around the seaweed? Fish! Yes, let's draw a fish. There we are. So this is our fish.
That's amazing.
And why not add different coloured fish? And any sea creatures you like.
Starfish.
Now, as it's a rock pool, let's do some waves. Okay, mini makers, now for the messy bit. We need to brush some glue all the way around the outside of our picture.
Are we going to put sand over it?
I think we might be, Jacob. Lots of glue first, though. Next, we need to sprinkle some play sand over the top. Thank you very much, Nicole. What a marvellous mini maker. Here we go. Now we need a tray. Thank you, Jacob. Watch this. Be very carefully. Pick up your picture and shake off the sand into the tray. And look at that.
Whoa!
It's good, isn't it? We've got a rock pool with sand all the way around it. Do you like it?
Yes!
And we can add some detail to our fish and our starfish with some stickers and a pen. We're finished. What do you think? Brilliant. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed that because now you're going to get your own chance to make your party pictures. But first, you need to put on your...
Party apron!
Because it's time to start the art! Lots of lovely seaside art mini makers, and let's have a look at Xander's picture. This is brilliant. What's in your rock pool, Xander?
Xanderfish,
A Xanderfish.
crab,
A crab.
and clownfish.
And a clownfish. Fantastic. Well done, Xander. Now you keep making with your picture, because I wonder, has anyone else ever had any arty ideas to do with the sea? Let's find out.
Many years ago, there was a famous artist called Joseph Turner. One day, he decided to paint a picture of a very stormy sea, which he wanted to make very realistic. Then, he had an amazing idea.
That's it! But first, I need something waterproof to wear. Oh, yes. Here we go. Aha! Man the rigging!
Believe it or not, some people think Turner strapped himself to the mast of a ship during a storm, and all the tossing and turning gave him some brilliant ideas.
What are you looking at? I'm not a sardine, you know.
And with these ideas, he painted one of his most famous pictures of a very stormy sea.
Oh, can someone untie me, please? I'm feeling a bit seasick. Oh, I should get a prize for this, you know. And they call it the Stomach Turner Prize. Oh, yeah, but you would say that. Wow, so he painted a picture strapped to a mast. I guess that's why they call it a masterpiece. Now let's see how the mini makers are getting on. This looks brilliant. Let's have a look at your picture. Now, what have you got in here?
Well, I've got a blue fish and a purple fish, and I've got a frog and a starfish.
Ah, and what are these all around here?
They're called sea anemones.
Wow, sea anemones. That's brilliant. Right then, Nicole, tell me about your lovely picture.
Well, I like the sandcastle, and I like the seahorse and the heart in it.
Yes, your rock ball is a heart shape, and I love it. Now, Nathan, what are you sprinkling sand onto there?
A sandcastle.
Well done, Nathan, and well done, Mini Makers. You have made some super seaside pictures. Can you hear that noise? It sounds like someone's asleep at our party. Who is it, everyone?
The Shakes!
That's right, my friends. It's the Shakes, and I think we should wake them up. So after 3, shout "Wake up" as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Wake up! Let's dance, everyone. The Shake. I am the Shake. I am the Shake. Scraps, let's party! Come on, Mini Makers. Let's all dance with the Shakes.
I am a circle.
Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air, triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody go square, do it here, do it there.
I am a rectangle.
Bounce, everybody! Bounce like you just don't care. What's it going to be? Wait till we will sing the Shape for you and me.
I am a square.
Yay! What are the squares making? It's a sandcastle. Well done, Square. It's time to get back on the shelf. Yay! Scrap's surprise party copper. If you want to make a paper plate stingray like this, all you need to do is colour in a paper plate with a wax crayon. Then colour in a thin triangle of card as well. Bend the plate with both hands like this and fold the triangle in half. Now stick it to the paper plate to make a tail. Add stickers for eyes. And your paper plate stingray is finished and ready to play with. What a brilliant idea, Scraps! You can make any sea creature you like. Christopher, tell us about what you've made there, my friend.
Well, I've made a colourful clam that can open up.
Oh, that's great. Well done, Christopher. And Miriam, what have you made here? Show us.
Made a starfish. It has yellow and orange colours.
Well done, Miriam. And then over here, last but not least, Joshua, what have we got here?
A spotty stingray.
A spotty stingray, just like my waistcoat. Well done, Joshua. And well done, Mini Makers. And now for something completely different. Jump up and follow me. Follow me, everyone, this way. Mini Makers, you are about to make a brilliant party picture. Now have a look at the screen and see if you can guess what it's going to be. What picture are today's Mini Makers making? Any ideas yet? What do you think it could be?
It's a turtle!
That's right, it's a turtle. Well done, Mini Makers. You know what that noise means? It's time for an Arty Party Game! Yeah! So it's over to Party Cam to find out which Mini Makers are playing today. It's Nicole! Yay! Who's next? It's Iona! Yay! Off you go, Party Cam. Who's it going to be? It's James! Last one. It's Xander! Well done, my friends. You've been chosen for a very special Arty Challenge. Today's game is called Splish, Splash, Splosh. And your Arty Challenge is to float the good ship Maker. But at the moment, there isn't a sea for it to float on. So you need to use your brushes and your paint to create a beautiful sea for this boat to float on. Now, it can get very, very messy. So that's why you're wearing your Arty suits. And we put down lots of old paper first. Now, Nicole, James, Iona, and Xander, do you think you can do it?
Yeah!
You must be very quick and you must finish before Scraps makes this noise. Good luck. Go! Load up those brushes. That's it, looks nice if you mix up some of the colours. Looks brilliant. Oh, that looks good. Look at the white mixing in with the blue. Oh, quick, Scraps is getting ready. We better get the boat on. My brushes down, everyone. Come round here. Here we go. Let's put it down. Very nice. Just in time. You did it, Mini Makers. Yeah! Look at that fantastic picture. A boat on a super sea. Well done, everyone. But now it's time to tidy up, and I'll help you, Mini Makers. What a fantastic Arty party we've had today. Come on, everyone. Right, let's pick this boat up first of all. We've had a super seaside party, making sandy rock balls and paper plate creatures. We've learnt about Joseph Turner's stormy paintings, and we splished, splashed, and splosh afloat the good ship Maker. We've been arty at our Arty party. Are you ready? Your fun's just begun! Yes, our party's over, but your Arty fun is just beginning. It's time to put the party pad back in its box. See you soon, everyone. Bye!